Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious juicy chicken wrap. Okay, so let's start. For this recipe I'm going to use 500 grams of chicken breast, and I already added some oil to my pan. I'm going to give my chicken a bit of color and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's all nice and white, I'm going to add my spices. We have some salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic granules, and some fajita mixed spice. Let's mix all these spices with our chicken and fry for another 3 minutes. Then we add our onion and leave it to cook until soft. Now for our sauce, in a bowl we have ketchup, mayonnaise and mustard. Let's season it with some salt and pepper, mix it all in, and we are going to add some lettuce, green olives with spring onions, gherkins with red onions. I'm going to mix this all in until it's nice and coated in the sauce. Now it's time to put our wrap together. First I'm going to spread some of the sauce we just made, place our well seasoned and cooked chicken along with some homemade chips and some grated cheddar cheese on top. And it's time to roll our wrap. So let's tuck two sides in first and try to be as tight as you can. Flip the front of the wrap to the middle and tuck it under all the yumminess you have in there, and then just roll it up. Here I'm going to show you that again, and now it's time to give our wraps a bit of color. I have some butter in my pan that has been preheated on medium high. Place your wraps onto the pan and fry them on both sides until golden brown. Now that it's done, it's time to cut them in half and serve these delicious juicy wraps. Oh, look at all those yumminess in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.